Computer science looks difficult. Too much theory, too much confusion. What if I tell you? It doesn't have to be. Hello everyone. Welcome to CS Insight Lab. A place where computer science finally makes sense, whether you are a student, a beginner, or someone who wants to build real-world tech skills, you're in the right place on this channel. We break down complex computer science topics in a simple and practical way. Here, you will learn programming, data structures, algorithms, databases, operating systems, web and software development, and even modern technologies like artificial intelligence and emerging tools, but not in a boring way. Our focus is on concept clarity, practical understanding, and real-life examples. So you don't just learn, you actually understand. No unnecessary theory, no memorization. Just clear explanations, step-by-step learning, and insights that help you grow as a problem solver. Because computer science is not just about passing exams, it's about learning how to think, how to solve problems, and how to build the future. So if you want to learn smart, build strong computer science foundations, and stay future-ready in tech, subscribe to CS Insight Lab. New videos are coming every week. Let's explore computer science the right way.